Hello WordPress website creators. In today's trending plugin we have Counter Live Visitor for WooCommerce. It simply adds a visitor count below the add to cart button and it simply pulls more buyer at your WooCommerce store. It is just not a simple visitor counter. This counter is shown on each product with the number of users who are currently viewing at the same time, right? So we can say same product. So it has got already 7,000 plus active installation. It is being regularly updated. It has been developed by Daniel Riera and it is trending today for WooCommerce stores. So you can simply set up this plugin in the WooCommerce setting area. You can select the WooCommerce visitor counter in administration menu to configure, and it works well with Elementor and any page builder as well. So you can use Shortcode wherever you want to show the visitor counter, and it is definitely going to increase your conversion on the WooCommerce store. Let us meet in the next. Thank you.